Welcome to Photography 161. This is a traditional course taught in an entirely new way online. It should be a lot of fun for you. There are many technical principles in photography that will help you to craft great images. We will work especially hard to develop your aesthetic sense. What makes a good picture? How do I compose a picture to communicate my ideas about the subject? To go forward with an online presentation, you need to access Blackboard through the MyMC portal, which I am sure you are all very familiar with. Find courses in which you are a student. The CRN number for this course is 31606. You should click on that link and you will notice also at this listing a group of announcements which you should always read. Going back a tiny bit, if you click on this course, 31606, it will bring you to the home page of this course, and that is where I am starting to illustrate this video. There is a menu for the course in a sidebar with a light yellow background. On the home page, there is a My Announcements item listing all current announcements and a What's New item listing your course and a discussion board. Continuing on the tour of the Blackboard site, click the syllabus page, and the syllabus page listing is also in the light yellow menu bar. There are instructions to download the syllabus. This document is very important. It outlines procedures and policies. It contains a lot of information sheets dealing with various technical aspects of photography. In addition, there are pages which detail the topic for each week's meeting. That is the meeting that we'll be having on Zoom. Assignments will be listed under the topic for each week's meeting. There will also be notifications about assignment due dates. On this page is an excellent motion photograph from a student portfolio done last spring.